Ever heard of Kraken, that crypto exchange known for its advanced trading features and robust security? And what about USDT, the stablecoin that's become a cornerstone of the crypto world? Well, today, we're diving deep into whether Kraken supports USDT. Buckle up, because we're about to unravel the mysteries of this crypto pairing. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's quickly refresh our memories. Kraken is considered one of the top-tier crypto exchanges. It's renowned for its wide range of trading options, including spot trading, margin trading, futures, and even staking. It's a popular choice among both beginners and seasoned traders. On the other hand, USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. This means that 1 USDT theoretically equals 1 US dollar, making it a relatively stable asset in the volatile crypto market. The core question. So, the burning question is, does Kraken support USDT? The short answer is yes. In fact, USDT is a major player on the Kraken exchange. You can easily buy, sell, trade, and even deposit/withdraw USDT on the platform. This makes Kraken a very convenient option for those who prefer to trade with stablecoins or use USDT as a bridge between fiat currency and other cryptocurrencies. Diving deeper. But let's delve a bit deeper. What are the specific advantages of using USDT on Kraken? Well, for starters, USDT provides a stable foundation for your crypto trading. In the highly volatile crypto market, the price fluctuations of cryptocurrencies can be quite dramatic. USDT, being pegged to the US dollar, offers a degree of stability, allowing you to minimize your exposure to market swings. This is particularly beneficial for short-term traders and those who are new to the crypto world. Furthermore, USDT facilitates easy entry and exit points. If you're looking to convert your fiat currency, like US dollars, into crypto, you can easily buy USDT on Kraken and then use it to purchase other cryptocurrencies. Similarly, if you want to cash out your crypto profits, you can sell your cryptocurrencies for USDT and then withdraw it to your bank account. This seamless conversion process makes USDT an incredibly convenient tool for navigating the crypto market. Kraken's USDT trading pairs. Now, let's talk about the trading pairs involving USDT on Kraken. Kraken offers a wide range of USDT trading pairs, allowing you to trade USDT against a plethora of popular cryptocurrencies. Some of the most common USDT trading pairs on Kraken include BTC/USDT, trading Bitcoin, BTC, with USDT. ETH/USDT, trading Ethereum, ETH, with USDT. XRP/USDT, trading Ripple, XRP, with USDT. Doge/USDT, trading Dogecoin, Doge, with USDT. ADA/USDT, trading Cardano, ADA, with USDT. And many more. This diverse selection of trading pairs provides ample opportunities for traders to capitalize on market movements and diversify their portfolios. Before you start trading USDT on Kraken, it's crucial to understand the security implications. While USDT is a widely used and generally reliable stablecoin, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks. Security audits. Ensure that the stablecoin issuer has undergone regular and transparent security audits to verify the reserves backing the issued tokens. Regulatory scrutiny. Be mindful of the regulatory landscape surrounding the stablecoin. Some jurisdictions may have stricter regulations or even bans on certain stablecoins. Market volatility. While USDT is pegged to the US dollar, it's not entirely immune to market fluctuations. Extreme market conditions can sometimes cause minor deviations from the 1:1 peg. Getting started with USDT on Kraken. If you're ready to start trading USDT on Kraken, here's a general overview of the process. Create a Kraken account. If you don't have a Kraken account, you'll need to create one. The registration process is usually straightforward and involves providing basic personal information. Verify your identity. To enhance security and comply with regulations, you'll need to verify your identity by submitting documents like your driver's license or passport. Fund your account. You can fund your Kraken account with fiat currency like USD or by transferring cryptocurrencies, including USDT. Start trading. Once your account is funded, you can start trading USDT. Simply navigate to the trading interface, select the desired USDT trading pair, and place your orders. Tips for trading USDT on Kraken. Start small. If you're new to crypto trading, it's always advisable to start with small trades to familiarize yourself with the platform and the market dynamics. Develop a trading strategy. Before you start trading, it's crucial to develop a well-defined trading strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated on the latest market news and developments, as this can significantly impact the price of cryptocurrencies, including USDT. Utilize Kraken's features. Take advantage of Kraken's advanced trading features, such as stop-loss orders and margin trading, to manage your risk and potentially increase your profits. In conclusion, Kraken does indeed support USDT, making it a convenient platform for traders who prefer to use stablecoins. USDT provides a stable foundation for trading, facilitates easy entry and exit points, and is available in numerous trading pairs on the Kraken exchange. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and understand the potential risks associated with using stablecoins before you start trading. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.